So now, your father is still alive and you want to take over everything right there and then. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl, Bella. And every day, palava, it doesn't finish. Now, please watch this video. And it's very hilarious. And we talk.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So, my people, this guy wants to take over his father's business, his father's church, by all means necessary. This thing happened in Lagos. From the screen, you will see that the name of the church is there and the location. You know, why are people eager to do things? Because it's very hilarious for me. It had a very funny that the leaders of tomorrow could not wait for tomorrow again. They want to hijack the leadership today. You know, the leaders of tomorrow, no one wait again, make tomorrow come. They want to now. They want to take over the leadership because this guy know what he's after. See, let me tell you, in this part of the world, some of these churches are what? Family business. Don't be surprised that this guy is after what? The offering and the tithes. Because he cannot tell me that if he is willingly waiting on his own time, like a man of God should, a patient man of God should, he will not want to take over the leadership by fire, by force. He will not want to hijack it. He would want to wait patiently, like a good guy. You know, he would want to persevere and wait. But no. Or the father is still alive. Meanwhile, the father is not dead yet. The man, is still there. And the son wants to do what? Take over the business. He gets. So you now see that churches are in business. Churches, some of these churches are doing what? In business. It doesn't have any other respect again. Doesn't have respect for God. It doesn't have respect for the Holy Spirit. Because who is calling you? You are trying to call yourself. Nobody is calling you. Because most of them say, I'm a called man of God. I'm a called man. Nobody is calling you. You are now calling yourself. You they hear yourself, they call yourself. Okay? Things like this, you will marvel of how their administration in such, you know, when you go to some churches, you actually realize that these people, they don't even know what thing they do. They don't know what they are doing. Please, in anything you are doing in this country, please be wise. But what can we do? We cannot stop laughing. It's very funny. And you should know that it's one of the member of the church that is recording this thing. Because already this member don't become wise now. You don't wise up. No say the church safe. Now funny things they go on. Say now, it don't turn to family business. Hey! Headquarters is now what? Family what? Business. He did not wait for their headquarters, for their branch, other branch, or the superiors to decide who is going to take over. He wants to take over ASAP. ASAP. They want to spoil this beautiful church just because of money. When they say money is the root of all evil, people say it's a lie. The truth is money is the source of all, is the root of all sorts of injurious things. And money gives security too. Until I come again, if you are my regular watcher, Thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, please turn on your notification bell for you to know when Palava comes. Until I come again, Palava, you know they ever finish. Peace out.